My name is Daniel Sincere. I am a second year student of the T.A. Marshall Community College. I am presently pursuing an associate degree in mechanical engineering technology. The purpose of this video is to show the work done on an AE91 Toyota Corolla over the past 6 months. I was responsible for bodywork on this build. With the help of my project manager, Salim Tyson, and the assistance of our teacher, Mr. Kenneth Noel, we worked on ways to improve the Toyota Corolla. Our objective was to finish the project by March, but due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, we was unable to finish this project. Before the pandemic hit, we made a lot of progress on this build. But at the beginning, there was a lot of doubts. We had to balance our time between classes and work. And on the car itself, there was a lot of rust. The main structure was destroyed, the flooring, and the trunk. I started to question myself, should I really continue on this build, or should I go and do something personally as some of the others? Despite that, I continued. With the encouragement of my project manager Salim Tyson, we tackled the rust. We grind and cut where necessary. After doing so, we apply a coat of red zinc paint over the affected areas to avoid the spread of rust. With that problem out of the way, we went on by selecting suitable materials to replace the recently rust areas. We did so by using sheet steel for the running boards, a material flexible enough but yet strong enough to withstand impact. A major structure as the door frame needed to be repaired. We did so by using a 1/2-inch thick angle iron steel. Inside the car, the flooring needed to be repaired also. We used sheet metal and aluminum from an oil drum where necessary. The flooring of the trunk was completely destroyed due to rust also. I had to cut it off. I had to be extra careful while cutting to avoid cutting the gas line. When finished, we decided to replace it by using a 1/2-inch thick steel of sheet metal and a 1/2-inch thick steel of angle iron to brace it onto the subframe at the back. After tackling the rust and successfully defeating it, we went on by sanding the car and applying filler where necessary. fillering and sanding, our next task was to prime the car. We started priming most of the car, the trunk, the front bumper, the fenders. But due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, we were stopped in our progress. There was a lot of ups and downs in this build, as mentioned before. People doubted that we would ever complete it. I personally learned a lot from this build, and I could confidently say, if it wasn't for the recent COVID-19 pandemic, we would have finished this build in its given time. Thank you.
Them beach and them able to see that from them.
We're taking enough pictures now,
Like I just wish the Corolla just did just so. You know? So them bastards could just see all the damn work they put into that. Check.